Here's what you'll need for a lovely strawberry jelly cream cake. Some eggs, some jelly of course, some butter, baking powder, double cream, some caster sugar, self-raising flour, and of course strawberries. Into a bowl, break up your jelly, and then you're going in with boiling hot water, around 200 or 300 ml, and then it's just a case of stirring, keep stirring until all your jelly is melted. Leaving your jelly to one side to cool down for 1 minute. If you've got more than one cake tin, as I have here, take out the smaller one. You're going to make the cake in the larger one. So what you want to do is make your jelly mould in the smaller one so it fits nicely around your cake. So with some cling film, you're going to line the tin. Press it right up to all the edges. And then it's in with your jelly liquid. And then that's in the fridge to set, preferably overnight. With your strawberries separating into 2 batches, one like these that are a nice size to decorate the top of your cake, then the other any misfits or gigantic ones like that, which we're going to squash and get the juice out of. To get the green bits out of your strawberries, just get a strong tube or straw, push it from the bottom up, and out comes your greenery. There's your strawberry, there's a stalk of it out. Put a sieve over a bowl, and then your larger or deformed or whichever ones you've picked out, not to decorate your cake, then give them a good squishing and squashing. Keep the flesh to one side though, because that will add to the taste of the filling. Into a bowl, put your softened butter. If it's not soft already, put it in the microwave for a few seconds to soften it up. Then it's in with the sugar, and you're going to give that a good mix until it's light and creamy. With your butter and sugar mixed, hopefully it's something like that, you're going to go in with your 3 eggs, but go in one at a time. So in with an egg, mix that in, and then do the same for the other 2 eggs. With your eggs mixed in, it's time to go in with the strawberry juice that you mashed up earlier. Get that mixed in. With your strawberry juice in, it's time to sieve in your flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Then whatever you do, don't use your mixer. You're just going to fold that in until it all comes together. Once it's come together, something like that, it's time to get out your baking tin. Give your baking tin a good wipe with some butter or oil. I prefer butter, seeing as there's butter in the cake already. Then cut yourself a piece of greaseproof paper, stick that to the bottom, and then it's in with your cake mixture. Depending on your oven, put it in at about 160 for around 40 minutes. As I say, depending on your oven, 50 minutes, even an hour. Just keep testing it in the middle until a cocktail stick or skewer comes out without any cake mixture on it. Then you know your cake's ready. With your cake out the oven, time to tap the bottom. There you go. Encourage it to fall. Take the outer casing off. Ooh, and the bottom by the look of it. There's your cake. Take your greaseproof paper off and then leave that to cool down. When your cake's cooled down, cut it in half with a serrated knife, and it's time to get your jelly out of the fridge. Take the bottom out of your cake tin and then just lift it get the cling film out of the way. And then it's a case of run it there, removing that, and then removing the cling film. And onto that, just to add to the strawberryness, I'm going to put the mashed up strawberries into a bowl with your lovely double cream. Time to get that whipped up until it's nice and spreadable. Once you've whipped your cream up so it's something like that, time to get in on your cake. And you've got your cream on the centre, time to put your top on. And then the rest of the cream onto there. Finish it off with your strawberries.